Hey guys, welcome to Courtney Invest. Today we are going to be going over my favorite indicator, VWAP, which I know you guys have heard me mention in a few of my previous videos, but just going to break down how I use it to help me win my trades. So what is VWAP? VWAP is going to be pretty much looking at the volume of the stock. It stands for volume weighted average price. And there's pretty much two rules when it comes to VWAP. So if you guys remember in some of my previous videos, we talk a lot about calls and puts. So if we are buying calls, for example, we're pretty much betting that the stock is going to move to the upside. And then if we're buying puts, then we're pretty much betting that the stock is going to be moving towards the downside. So looking at my chart here, if you guys see this blue line here in the middle, that is going to be my VWAP indicator. So let's take calls, for example. If I am in a call and we see the stock go below the VWAP, then that's an indicator to get out because the stock is going to move down. And then if we are buying puts, for example, and it goes above VWAP, then we want to get out of that play because the stock is probably going to be moving upwards, which isn't going to benefit you in that case. So take, when you're buying a trade, for example, let's say, we go above VWAP and we're also above pre-market high, then that's probably a good indicator that the stock is going to jump up. So that might be where I enter a call, for example. And then let's say, the stock moves below VWAP and maybe also below pre-market low, then maybe I'll get in a put. That might be my indicator to go ahead and take entry in that position. So hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions or would like me to walk you through pretty much setting up those indicators on your charts as well. And then of course, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow to stay in touch for more.